The Delta variant of COVID-19 is on track to take over as the dominant variant in Texas in just a couple of months.
Doctors say the vaccine is really the best tool we have to fight it, but right now only 48% of Texans 12 and older are fully vaccinated. KXAN's Maggie Glynn reports.
Sure enough, his COVID test results came back positive.
Lisa Harris's dad went to the doctor over the weekend thinking he had a bad cold.
He's been fully vaccinated since mid-March, so it was a bit of a surprise to all of us.
He's one of the 5,700 new COVID cases in Texas this week, an increasing number of which are the new Delta variant.
20% of new cases are the Delta variant.
That has doctors sounding the alarm.
It's not going to be long. It's going to be measured in weeks to a month or two before we're talking about Delta as the predominant strain.
It's already taken over in other countries, and data shows it's infecting younger people and it's more contagious.
It appears to be something like 60% more transmissible than the UK variant we were talking about, which was already more transmissible than the original COVID variant.
The state health department says the variant is another reason for those who still haven't gotten vaccinated to get the shot. Even if it doesn't fully prevent infection, it still provides an extra layer of protection against the severity of the disease.
The vaccines still seem to be very, very effective against it.
Lisa says her dad's symptoms have been relatively mild considering he's 78.
I think had he not been vaccinated, given how fast the cough progressed and how severe his fever was, even on medication, he probably absolutely would have faced hospitalization.
Maggie Glynn, KXAN News.
The variant quickly spread in the UK, where it now accounts for 90% of active cases. We're not to that point yet here in Texas. The new variant only accounts for about 6% of our cases, but that is expected to change over the coming weeks.
Earlier this week, KXAN's Will Dupree spoke in depth with one of the top vaccine officials at the White House. He spoke specifically to what parents of children under the age of 12 can expect as the 2021 school year approaches, and how concerned he is about the new Delta variant. To hear that full conversation, go to KXAN.com and search White House vaccine.